Welcome to today's trader days and signal. So I did give this trade yesterday on lower time frame on 50 minutes that we should be expecting. Here is the something. Here happens to be our analysis yesterday. I gave this level that if adventure price is able to close above this high, then we can be expecting a retest of this particular level for us to do what? For us to sell from. And if you extend this level into the something, you see that we did not have a closure above this high. Then if peradventure price close below the low, then automatically we know we have to be looking for sell. And that's our analysis yesterday. And if you watch the video, you will see that we have this level there. And this is exactly what I gave yesterday. That's okay. From this particular level, we can be expecting price either going up or coming down from that level of 50 minutes. So that's wherever we are able to see and capitalize on. And on lower time frame, it's a different ball game. And as you can see, price did first close below this low, then it's went to take the high. Well, you should be expecting such to because it will want to take liquidity. And if you take a loss first before coming back to win all this was, wherever you are able to make from this level should at least make you recover or whatever you've lost here. So that's how it is on lower time frame. And as you can see, it gave us a very nice one power to five in the market. And whenever we did have a nice something like that, it always follow with another something. So that's how it is. And the reason why I did not capitalize on this particular leg within this level again is the fact that we did not close below this low. So I was expecting this low to close before we can. And analyzing on lower time frame can be very, very daunting, but you've got to be very, very careful and stick to your rules. Even though personally I broke some of my rules yesterday and it cost me, but nonetheless, when you are expecting one to something, 1 to 5, 1 to 3, and above in the market, you are sure that you're going to recover your losses, and that's our hedge in the market. So here we are in the market. Um, we are within this level. Like I said yesterday, I established these two levels in the market. So we're going to take out this something, and my analysis still remain. I picked this high and this low yesterday. That be the determinant of whether price is going to, maybe is going to go up and down. And like I said previously, that I'm not expecting price to close below, within this level here. And we did have it. Price, the first candle did not close within there something. And as you can see, the second candle did not close above this candle high as well. So it's a very good signal for us to kind of sell on a swing level. But now that we are moving towards day trading with all this level, all these things that price is doing on the higher time frame, living within what is it, moving within consolidation for a while now, we've got to devise another means of making money in the market. So which is us going on lower time frame. And another thing I want to call our attention to is, our range, dealing range is changing. And that's one thing we must be aware of. Yeah, this is this high and this low. Money is within these two consolidative area now. Before now, but price has created another high, which happens to be this high in the market. So money has been transferred from this level to this level now. So can only be expecting this high to be the determinant. But from what we can see here, this is still within this particular leg anyway. So if at all, but from what we see here, we can see that price already deal with this low, but we are still anticipating this level. So for us not to, it was this low, strong low that gave birth to this weak high, so to say for now, because we are not determining both weak high. We just know that this is high, this is I mean, this is low, this is high. So this low determines this high. Then this high is yet to do anything, uh, anything because the reason why we are picking this high is because of the fact that yeah, it has created and close below this low, and from what we can see, it's created another leg here within this something. So even though we can still pick this particular leg to be our the new low being created in the market. So if we pick this low, then we can be expecting and anticipating that price coming below this low, uh, closing below this low, still an indication that price might be willing to go even lower in the market. But don't forget this low as well. The liquidity below this low might just be taken, and we can have a reversal. And don't forget one. And if you look closely on daily, you can see what price is doing. Yesterday create an inside bar to Monday candle, and we are just like I said, as you can see, new high and new low has been created, which is an inside battle what we printed on Monday. And this particular level, as you can see previously, liquidity has been taken, the low has been taken, but what we'll be anticipating is closure below that low. So which makes this particular leg be our dealing range at least for today. Except this candle close below this low, then our new dealing range, this level will come. We have to come to this particular level, leg that sponsor this particular one. So which will minimize our dealing range for today. So if we look closely on 15 minutes and try to see, we can just can see that this low has been broken and retested. So using structure, this is our weak low which has been taken, and here automatically becomes stronger. But if we look closely, the money or all this level has been transferred to this particular leg that sent price lower in the market. So having this level in place, we automatically know that we'll be expecting some kind of movement from within this level. So whatever this leg is able to do now will be the determinant of whether we're just going to continue or, and mind you, this is the leg here. This is what will determine our trade for today. So we'll be anticipating a closure below this low one or above this high. Don't forget anything can still happen. So we still have 5 minutes for this candle to close. We just have to wait for it to close for us to know what we are going to capitalize on. So the same thing that we were expecting yesterday, since we are closing below this low and whatever we are trying to expect from this market, anything can happen. So like we have this particular leg now, we just wait for this candle to close. And if peradventure the price close below this last candle here, then we can be expecting some more lower prices in the market. Or we can have a shift, price creating a shift like this or taking the liquidity below this low. Anything can happen. So then we can have something like this in the market. Price can reverse from that level and move. Or price can just do something. That's one projection. Another projection is the way price is moving. Okay. We can come close below this low, retest this level, create a low, retest the level, and continue to do what? Continue to move down. So anything can happen. Just look out for whatever happens. And that will be our play on today's trade. So either of the two, we are within consolidation. Anything can happen from consolidative something on higher time frame. So we are not sure of picking a bias that we are going up or that we are flowing with the markets. So that'll be all for now. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable day.